an agency that provides dental care to vulnerable populations. It's really very moving, the way lives are changed through getting good dental care. In a typical year, we see about 2,600 patients for 11,000 appointments, and the market value of care given is about $6 million. It's been tough on everyone just delivering care. We did a lot of changing to keep both our clinicians and our patients safe. And when we did open, it was at a much reduced patient load just to keep everyone safe. There was some federal funding available to beef up our safety procedures, and we were very aggressive in going after that funding. Having the endowment funds will allow us to maintain a building that we purchased just prior to COVID, which we do rent out some space, and that generates some income, and it just allows Interfaith to be on a much more stable financial footing.
Our mission is to feed hungry people in the 46 counties of Middle and West Tennessee and to provide solutions to hunger. Our service to our community has increased over 40% versus pre-pandemic levels, what we were doing, which equated to us providing around 41 million meals. The volume that's come through, and it's been from new sources. We've had a lot more government programs to use, and by government programs, both monetary funding as well as government food programs, where we've just had volumes of government food to use to distribute. We've also purchased more food than ever before, and we have a social enterprise as well that helps to provide food at reasonable rates to food banks all over the U.S. We all knew the need was greater than ever before with the high unemployment and the schools being closed. I loved seeing the innovative ideas and the commitment to things even when they're hard because we've not done them before.
Thistle Farms is a really dynamic social enterprise that is dedicated to helping women that are escaping trafficking and addiction to heal and thrive. When the pandemic hit, our manufacturing plant and our cafe had to shut down pretty quickly. What is untraditional is even in normal times when our revenue stream takes a dip, we continue to keep our labor as almost a fixed cost because our labor are our people. They're our survivors. That was our number one goal, to keep as many women employed as possible. We were very lucky to have a really strong donor base that helped us through fundraising efforts. Luckily, our group was able to lean into a program where they began a letter writing campaign to our donors, letting them know how we were and asking them how they were. And through that engagement, we were able to not only build a great rapport with our donor base, but we were also able to significantly help our fundraising campaign. And we also relied heavily on the PPP loan as well. Luckily, that was forgiven for us, and that kept us through the pandemic. Yeah. I have to say things are full speed ahead. To go from one extreme of being really stagnant to the other extreme of just being at breakneck speed, it's jolting and exciting at the same time.